Hello everyone. I have here a bloodgood Japanese maple. I'm going to plant this temporarily in a pot so that I can move it around during the hot summer. This plant was bought 2 weeks ago and was been ravaged by storm, but I am hopeful because I've seen many shoots growing. I'm not going to trim those ugly looking leaves because I need them for photosynthesis. Holes were drilled at the bottom of the mulch for good drainage. This is not a sponsored video. It's just this is the soil I'm using. Peat moss, triple 13 fertilizer, handful of vermiculite. My new soil level will be the same as the one here. Bloodgood Japanese maple tree prefer to full sun in zone 5 and partial to part sun in zones 6 to 9. Use a slow release fertilizer in spring. This plant is drought tolerant. It can reach to 20 feet tall in maturity with a trunk as big as a cup. It retains its beautiful leaves throughout the season. The color is burgundy in spring through summer and scarlet red in the fall season. My maple plant needs tender loving care, so I'm going to use this once a week, but not on the same day. I'm certain that this plant is going to add pizzazz and beauty to my garden. By late summer, I will know the ideal location where to plant this ingrown. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. May you have a productive week.